Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well, and if you are new here, welcome and thank you for checking on this channel. Today I'm making millet flour and I hope you will like it. As I always say, no long talk biao, EBT. Okay, let's get started. So I have my millet here. I'm going to add in some water and then let it sit so that if there is any unwanted stuff in it, it will float. Then I remove it and then wash it. Yeah, so normally the millet back home has a lot of stones in it. So please make sure that you remove the stones before you wash it. Now I'm going to wash my millet. I'm going to use this tray and some napkin to try and get some of the water in the millet out before I spread it on the tray and then take it out and then let it sit under the sun for it to dry very well. If there is no sun where you are and you have a fan, a small fan or a standing fan, on that fan just place your millet under the fan and then let it dry, or you just let it sit and air dry, which will take time, but what can you do? But the best way is to just take it outside and then let it sit under the sun for it to dry. So that's what I'm going to do today. We have sun here, so the sun is out, so I will take it out and then let it sit for it to dry very well. So it's been under the sun for about 6 hours now, and it has dried very well, very well. Now my millet is ready to be grinded. Now I'm going to use this blender to blend it very finely. Yeah, so I'm done blending it. This is what I got. Now I'm going to sieve it to get very smooth flour. But if you don't mind it like this, you can just use it like this. But I want it very finely, so I'll use this sieve to sieve it to get very smooth powder. Yeah, so you can use this powder, millet powder, for your Fura, for Burkina, for millet to zafi, for kunun kanwa, and a lot more. So give it a try. It's very simple to make. Just make sure that you give it time for your millet. Just wash your millet and then dry it very well before you blend. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new video. And subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed so we keep popping with yumminess. Till next time, peace.